Here I have INFINIX S5, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device if you set up yourself a PIN, a pattern or password and unfortunately you forget it. So what you can do in that kind of situation, firstly you have to hold down power key, then slide power off to turn your device off. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds, like this. Hold them together at the same time for a few seconds. And after the screen turns on and you see INFINIX logo here, you can release power key and keep holding volume up. After you see XOS and no command message, what you have to do is to hold down power key and press volume up once. In this menu, use volume keys to navigate to the 6th option, Wipe Data Factory Reset, and then select it with power key. And then confirm this operation by selecting Factory Data Reset. After you see the message Data Wipe Complete, you can select the first option, Reboot System Now, to restart your device. Your phone will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.